Hey guys, Gonky here, making more videos again. Today guys, we are going to be pressure washing that boat. We have all the equipment in here, ready to go. So without further ado, let's get to it. You guys are probably wondering, KLEANTRIX, your car is so dirty. What are you doing? I'm actually doing this on purpose. I'm getting the car a little bit dirty because I'm testing out a product. Hint, 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 future video. Call Alberto.
Calling Alberto.
All right, Alberto, I'm on my way.
I'm trying to pick it up.
Okay, sounds good. I'll be there then. I have everything in the car.
All right.
Bye. Let's go get to his house. This is Houston, guys. Humid and hot. 88 degrees out here. All right, I'm at Alberto's place right now. We got the boots on. Let's go get that boat. Got the Tundra backing out. Look at this big boy toy right here. Let me get inside before he runs me over. What's up, Alberta?
What's up, dude?
Dude, look at that guy, straight from Cuba. All right, everything's plugged in, ready to go. We have a bunch of little specks and dirt that just makes it look kind of bad, and it's all caked in. So we're gonna try to get rid of all of it. You can kind of see how it's all caked in. This is not gonna come off unless, you know, we use some degreaser and power wash the crap out of this. This power washer is actually not as powerful as like the gas one that we have, but so what we're gonna do right now is, you know, we got it as clean as possible with this power washer. It's not looking too bad, and especially a lot of the top part right here, you can see it got a lot wider than it was before. In the past videos, you can see. Yeah, there you go. Alrighty guys, so a lot of the debris has been taken out right here. However, now we're gonna start vacuuming all the stuff that's in this location right here. So let's bust out the shop vac and let's remove all that debris. Is that a snake, Alberto? Throw that snake away, Alberto. That's enough, right? Alrighty, guys. So I'm in the boat right here. It was super dirty. It was ridiculously dirty. So much mud and everything like that. You saw that, leaves and everything. And so we got a lot of it clear so that we can actually start, like, you know, removing panels. That's what we're gonna do next. But I just want to show you how it looks right now. It doesn't look the best, but still a lot better. Let's look at it. Look at that, guys. Looks so much better. I mean, of course, it still looks like crap. If you saw in the other videos, you see that all this was just black. Like, seriously, just black. All black right here. So it's looking a lot better. You can see the interior right here. It looks a lot better. What we're gonna do with this also is just take out all these panels. All this wood is just bad. We're gonna take out as much wood as possible, take out all the carpet, everything like that. So all of this stuff has got to go. Everything like that has got to go. But you can actually see the bottom of the engine right there, where, you know, it's so dirty and everything like that. But look at this engine, guys. Put a battery on this bad boy, see if it turns on. You know, all that's coming up, guys. It's getting there. You know, it looks horrible because it was horrible. It was in the worst shape ever. But yeah, it's getting there. It's looking a lot better. So the next step is definitely letting it dry, and then we're gonna start taking out this panel, screwing and unscrewing everything as much as possible, just removing everything. I can't wait to do that. That's like kind of the fun part. But it's a lot of hard work, guys. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Other than that, guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace. Bonus content, watching your truck.